Think with the find the difference. What are parasites? Parasites are small animals that require one or more host animals in order to complete their life cycle. Generally, they cannot survive outside of their host. Their presence may or may not cause health effects in the host animals. Parasites. Are freshwater and saltwater fish all involved? Both freshwater and saltwater fish are potential sources of human infection with parasites. Fish roundworms are associated with saltwater fish from all areas of the world, whereas fish tapeworm tends to come from freshwater fish in cold waters. Fish flatworms or flukes, on the other hand, are normally associated with freshwater fish in temperate and warm waters. How do fish get infected? Fish can get infected with parasites when they feed on intermediate hosts. The definitive host for fish roundworms are marine mammals like seals and dolphins, and birds that feed on fish like cormorants and seagulls. These hosts shed eggs in their feces, which hatch into leaves in the water. The leaves are eaten by small crustaceans like prawns, crabs, and shrimp, and in turn, these are eaten by squid and fish. The leaves then bomb through the intestinal wall and enter the muscle tissue, where they are encapsulated and can survive for long periods. Fish can also harbor live worms that penetrate the gut, and these are often visible in their flesh. In contrast, the definitive host for flatworms or fluks are land mammals like foxes, dogs, and cats. Eggs are again excreted with feces and enter freshwater sources, where they are ingested by freshwater snails. Inside the snails, the eggs develop into carcassial larvae. These are released into the water and actively penetrate the fish beneath the scales, where they become crystals in the fish muscle and can survive for a long period. When fish tapeworms, fish-eating mammals, and birds infected with tapeworm shed eggs which find their ways into water and hatch into motile embryos. These are ingested by tiny crustaceans called copepods, where they develop into first-stage level. Freshwater eat the copepods, and the liver enter the flesh through the wall of the digestive tract, where they develop into a second stage lung that remain inactive for several years. It will be a long period. Parasites hazards. any better way to solve this? It is better to prevent than treatment. It is suggested to use product Eucabiotics. Eucabiotics, it is eucalyptus oil and is a new type of green, efficient, and safe plant-derived feed additive. It is a kind of volatile oil which is extracted from the natural Australian wild plant, small leaf sorghum, and is a new type of bacteria and worm double resistance animal health product feed additive. The main active substances is 1-ethylene, which has the effect of stimulation and deworming, and the secondary components including alpha-pinene, beta-pinene, water content, alpha-pinene, alcohol, etc. And the other substances are also stressing the overall antibacterial and deworming effect. Thanks for your watching. If you are interested, welcome to subscribe our channel.